Introducing Ring Sensors, a new line of smart security sensors that lets you build your protection your way. It's security that works where you want it. No base stations, no Wi-Fi range limits, no worries. Detect, protect, and secure. You're covered inside, out to the edge of your property, and beyond. And for extra peace of mind, add professional monitoring.
We received a burglary alarm at your address. Do you want us to have the police check it out?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Amazon Sidewalk lets you go beyond your home's Wi-Fi range. It's a powerful community network formed by devices in the area that covers up to 95% of the country. So even when your power goes out, your Ring sensors stay online. Works with all your Alexa and Ring devices. Easily arm your system right in the Ring app. The next evolution in home security is here. Ring Sensors. Security unleashed.